Sage CRM users can enter an order into Sage 100 from the Sage CRM Order Entry screen and promote it on a real-time basis to Sage 100. There are several ways an order can be created within Sage CRM. First, from the company record, select from the drop-down New Order, and this will take you directly to the order entry screen. From within an opportunity, there is also an Orders tab. So if you click on the Orders tab and then click New, you'll create an order. Orders can also be created from a quote that is converted to an order. So you can do that from within an opportunity and start with the quote. And then from within the quote, select the Convert button and convert to an order. And then lastly, from anywhere within the system, access the circle with the plus and then select Quick Order Entry. And this gives you the opportunity to add items and then create an order. Any of the options that we've discussed will progress to the order entry screen where the default values for the customer and the order are populated. And you can see here that based on the company and the person, default person for this particular company, the information is populated in the For section, and then the standard order information is populated in the top section or the new order section. Note that any required fields, so anything with the asterisks next to them, must be populated as those fields are necessary to integrate the two systems. The pricing list should always be mass 90 pricing since the pricing is loaded on a real-time basis from Sage 100. If necessary, you can modify the billing address or the shipping address simply by selecting the red arrow and fill in the information. The modified address will only be stored for the order, not the customer record. So when the order gets promoted into Sage 100, it will have an updated billing or shipping address in the sales order. Another important piece here is the Allow Credit Exceed box. If during the order creation the customer's credit limit is exceeded, then a warning message would be generated when you promote the order. And in order for it to release, this box needs to be checked so that it can be moved from Sage CRM to Sage 100. So now that we have our basic order information, we click Next. Line items can be added to the quote or order utilizing one of two buttons. The New Line Item button will allow you to select the line items for this particular quote or order, and you're going to select from a product list. Product family and product each have a lookup screen, which is this magnifying glass that when it's clicked, it displays a pop-up window with a list of the families or line items that have been imported from Sage 100 into Sage CRM. And for more details on how these fields interact with Sage 100, please see the user guide for line item GUMU fields. You can also utilize the Sage 100 lookup screen to find product. Search for the product based on the product line, item number, description, and or the warehouse. You can enter an item number and filter. You can filter by the warehouse to show you what items are available. And then details of that product come into the sales order as a new line item. And based on whatever your fields are in Sage 100, those item level fields will populate here. And once you save, that item that you've added will show up in your order as a line item with all of its information. The other option is the quick line entry. And in this case, you would add a product or select by family, just like we did previously. And then hit add. And you can make a list of all the things. So instead of having to enter one at a time on the previous screen, you can just go through and pull all the items that you want. And then once you've added all of your items, you click save, and this will update your line items here, but that assumes that you have your current pricing. So if you needed to update your price at this point, you would go into the individual item and update any information that needed to be changed. So once you've reviewed your complete order, if anything needs to be changed up in the summary section, you would click change summary, and that would give you the ability to edit these fields. And like we saw before, if you needed to edit a line item, you just need to click on the hyperlink for any of those items and make your changes. Once your order is complete, click the Promote Order button and confirm that it's okay to promote it. And in this case, because this customer is on credit hold, you will get a warning message, and you can go back via the back button, or if you want to proceed, then you simply click continue. And you'll get a new message which will tell you the Sage 100 sales order number. And if you click continue, you'll return to the order summary screen. Note that the sales order number also shows up on this screen for future reference.